Okay, so hello guys, I'm back. Mundane list is for the DXY, and today we'll be looking at the dollar index chart. So let's analyze the dollar index chart first. Okay, so these are the levels. As we can see, buy side liquidity is being taken, and now we are expecting downside movement. And even though I don't see any displacement, I don't see any kind of what you say imbalance in here. We have small, as we can see in the monthly time frame. This is the case. We have taken out the previous month's high, and now we are expanding at the lower side, so I'm expecting immense shading in this area. Consequent endorsement in the daily time frame, we have taken out the previous week's high and nothing up for there. And now I do think that we're gonna revisit the downside because we are having a lot of upside movement for the 1 week. Daily time frame, as we can see, yeah, let me remove some of the levels in here, like this one, green line, and it's the old, what you say, high. Let me move that also. Okay, now does that make sense? Now we have the last up candle, the last down candle. Right now it's in a consolidation. Right has closer, which shows clear willingness that it doesn't want to rally. Previous day high taken and a displacement downside. Today we can see lower prices. With a consequent investment. And I think I should remove that constant investment because what is it doing? It's making too much lines. Then we have this imbalance to the left side, which will act as an inversion fair value gap, and as previously high was not being displayed, so I'm expecting lower prices today. 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we have sell side liquidity pool. Also we have this imbalance left. The next target will be this area. 1 hour time frame. Now we have a breaker here, down candles, up move taking out this liquidity, and also I think it's not visible in there, but you know that was the liquidity line. Okay, let me show you guys. Oh, where it is, where the fuck it is, I don't know. Yeah, this one. So we have taken two sides of liquidity, two phases of liquidity, this one and another one, that one. So now this imbalance, we have to it down, and although it's a probability to market for the trade, I ended the area, but if it does today or when, I don't know. And 15 minute 15-minute time frame. Yesterday was a large range day, so it's consolidating. um Still expecting lower prices here market for the trade today. However, we can take out the Asian range high, then there are relative equal highs too, so it will be good for the price to take out those high, then reject on the lower side. that does that does make that does make sense to me. And now going to the euro monthly time frame. Euro uh, we have taken out the previous month's low is being taken out, and down candles are there. It looks like that we are expanding. Okay, we have filled in the mm, not completely, but we have still some range left, but we have almost filled the uh, weekly BC, that is this candles imbalance starting from here. Then we have daily inversion fair value gap was being, let me show you that in the lower time frame, I mean the daily, and then there's nothing here. And in the daily time frame we can see that there was up candle, down move, we've taken out the liquidity, expanded up, and now as we have traded below the previous day's low with an expansion to the downside but quickly rejected and come back again, that shows a willingness that price doesn't want to go on to the downside, and now we're expecting higher prices. This is the inversion fair value gap, how beautiful it is performed. Trade downs, trade the liquidity on the downside, and now looking for the upside liquidity. This is the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, so this high can be taken out. I do think so. And this is what it is for this one. And let me see the 4 hour time frame. We are having this imbalance left, and the lower side we have this CBBC, so it's a balanced price range level. Market can reach there also, but what I think, I don't see market going down once again. It will better for the price to stay up and go to fill out that imbalance. 2 hour, then 1 hour. Okay, we have down candles, so I do think that it's gonna support the price. Now you can see the starting of the Asian ranges here. Also we have the sub candle that's merging with the breaker, so it's gonna be hard for the price to come down. We'll look to fill out the range. That's it for the Euro USD. Now GU is more so in a consolidation market, but let's see if we are able to find out something from here. Monthly time frame, GBP USD, still down candles are supporting. The weekly, no, I mean the monthly candles are supporting. That shows a real willingness the price wants to expand. Old low is there. Then we have taken out the previous week's low, and then we are expanding out of the upside. Also, this market is in a consolidation market. Also, the fair value gap in the weekly is being respected, and you can see how choppy this price action is. 4 hour. Well, this market is in consolidation, but I do think that this market is going to rally and take out this all the highs, because the down candles are supporting the price action. That shows something that price is bullish. The daily time frame, you can see this. Today's Asian range consolidating, so I'll be looking for the high prices. Now coming finally in the gold. Let me see the forex.com. Okay, gold, forex.com, bigger picture perspective. We have taken out the previous month's low, 2 months low were taken out. So now, as expected, price is moving towards the weekly fair value gap, and we still have some range left. I will show you that in the weekly time frame, but in the monthly time frame, there's nothing to. I mean, the down candles, there's the weekly mean threshold, the monthly threshold. I think so. The price has not reached there, but we are rejecting after taking out the liquidity. And in the weekly time frame, as we can see, market is going to completely fill out the range, that is weekly fair value gap. And after taking out the liquidity of the previous week's low, price expanding on the upside. Then we have the daily time frame. Okay, well, the monthly, I want to see monthly once again, and weekly. Okay, we have taken out the previous week's low, so after taking out the liquidity, we are expanding. Okay, you can see my annotations. Previous week's low was taken out. Now price expanded. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this is Thursday. So today I'm looking to completely fill out this range. Then only I can have an objective to see where the market's trying to. But I don't have anything else here. You can see the down candle. I mean the up candle was being disrespected. That shows a willingness that order flow is changing. So I will have that in consideration. So I'm just basically looking for the market to fill out this one. Then Friday white retrace in the weekly range. And this is what it is. Previous day was an expansion day also, so that's why I do think personally that this up candle low is in the closure of this weekly fair value gap. So definitely I personally want to see price fill out that completely, because also the down candle, look at the down candles in here. After also we have this swing high, so down candles are putting the price and filling out this imbalance completely. After taking out, also I do think that this high will be taken out, so that's gonna be my thought for today. And I don't see this down candle being disrespected, because if it does so, then there might be something that I am missing. But right now I don't see down candles being disrespected. However, we are having a large down candle here, so price can reach here. And finally the 15-minute time frame, but the majority of your time you should be spending on the higher time frame. Because 15-minute, we can't say that the price will reach here. That we need to identify in the what we say, this time frame, the 1 hour time frame only. So in the 1 hour time frame I don't see any kind of imbalance, but we do have this one. There's a small imbalance, so I'm gonna mark it. Also guys, also I just noticed this low is being taken out, so that's up candle merging with the fair value gap, so that's a breaker. And this is what it is for today. So I'll be looking at that area, and if price really trades through that, then I'll be looking at this down candle, because that's not a block. This is not a consecutive candles, because we have this candle here. Then after that we have a time candle, so price can reach here. And this is what it is for today, folks. So I'll come back again with the same DXY analysis with euro and especially gold, also the GBUSD. This is what it is for today. I'll come back tomorrow again. Until then, wish you good luck and good trading. And in closing, I want to say I don't see any imbalance here, but if price trades through this one, then yeah, we can see in the 5 minute, nothing. Okay.